Which operation is provided by the OM thread class of the default event-driven framework implementation? Option A. Execute. Option B. Handle event. Option C. Handle trigger. Option D. Root state _ process event. The correct answer is option A. Which three statements are true about triggered operations? Choose 3. Option A. A triggered operation is an asynchronous event. Option B. A triggered operation can be called from the animation toolbar. Option C. The syntax for calling a triggered operation is the same as for a primitive operation. Option D. A triggered operation can be used on a transition on a state chart the same way as an event. The correct answer is option B, C, D. Which two interfaces can be used to connect to an archive? Choose 2. Option A. OXF interface. Option B. SCC interface. Option C. Model check interface. Option D. Command line interface. The correct answer is option B, D. Which tool is used to view the differences between two models? Option A. Diff merge. Option B. Check model. Option C. SCC interface. Option D. Command line interface. The correct answer is option A.